Hey, what's up YouTube? Time to bring back some life into these 23-year-old honey oak cabinets. First, we're gonna wash with TSP and a sponge. I distilled it 108 in this spray bottle. Next, we're gonna sand with 220 grit sandpaper. These cabinets are newer, so there's no risk of exposure to lead. But still, don't forget your PPE. For primer, I will be using Bullseye 123. I'm not gonna fill in any spots. The grain is still gonna show after painting. An hour later, I will top coat with Valspar cabinet and furniture. Now here's where I'll do things differently. I already have an air compressor and a spray gun. So why am I gonna buy another system when I already have this? So let's get to it, you guys. Don't forget to grab your test piece before doing anything else. The TSP was not doing a good job of cleaning these grease deposits. So instead I switched over to Super Clean and a drill brush. I'm spraying with the $35 gun from eBay, model TE 2008. It comes with a 1.4, 1.7, and 2.0 millimeter tips. You will be using the 2.0 millimeter tip for this application. This spray gun is compatible with a 3M PPS 2.0 cup system using adapter number 26003. This makes cleanup super easier, and if you want to save your paint for the next day, you can just seal it up using the provided seal. Also, when you're done with your project, just dispose of the cup and you have plenty of cups to start a new project. Now the paint is thick, so it will not pass through this filter very easily. If you want to remedy that, you could just poke a hole using a nail. After I strained and shaked the paint into the cup, I added 10% Floetrol and mixed it. Now at the beginning of the video, I stated that I will be scuffing with 220 grit, but I did not primer. This paint does not need primer. And the 220 left some scratches on here that the paint did not fill in. So instead of scuffing with 220, I went ahead and scuffed with 400 on this one, and the paint filled it up nice. The paint filled it in nice. So primer is not needed. This is one full wet coat. And the result is amazing. I'm spraying at 50 PSI, pressure all the way open, fluid all the way open, fan, close it all the way, and then open it half a turn. Now they told me I couldn't do it this way. I already have a 20-gallon air compressor, all the hoses, the couplers, the filters, the regulator. Why am I gonna spend hundreds of dollars on another system when this one works perfectly fine? For example, of course, I'm not gonna be spraying out here. I have a dedicated area set up. This is just for video purposes. Now let's check out those final results. The color came out great, but something's missing. And there we go. These kitchen cabinets never had any hardware installed. That's why they degraded so quickly. Project took me about a week and cost about $140. $55 for the paint, about $50 for these miscellaneous items. I spray painted the hinges. The gun, $35, and the paint did not eat through the seals. So this gun is good for another job or a few more jobs, I'm confident. The cabinet hardware along with the alignment molding cost about $80. And I'm amazed with the results. And the family loves them. I did get overspray, but we'll take care of that by painting the wall in the near future. So good luck with your project, you guys. Have a good day.